bait right there. What'd you say about riding? Oh, I can't. I can't record it when there's no pants on, huh? What? What were you saying about your motorcycle? Huh?
What are you talking about?
You said something about riding a motorcycle? Stew man. Stew man. Get them claws. Get them. It's better to do that than the furniture. Sully. He's getting better. He's being a better kitty now. He likes lovins now. Yeah. Just needed some time to grow up, that's all. Huh. Look at this hot number. Who you gonna say?
Nickelback.
Your husband.
Yeah.
Your other husband.
Yeah, that's right. My other husband.
Tried videoing her before this, but she always had her clothes off, so it wasn't appropriate for YouTube.
No.
This is how I'm going. I got my hair.
Gotta help him.
I got my hair done. Yeah, I had tan shorts on, and God forbid they didn't go with my blue shirt.
They look ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
Do any of you other guys have this problem? Does your wife dress you? Stewie's over it. I know. Well, cats, you hold the house down for a day. You gonna be okay with that? Okay. So we're going to see Brantley Gilbert and Nickelback in Harrisburg. We're staying there for the night, coming home in the morning. Should be a good time. So we're not even like 10 minutes from the house, and my wife has separation anxiety from her cat already.
This face that Sheldon gave us on the way out. He gave me the eyeballs.
He looked at her like a cat.
No, a sad face.
He gave her the cat look.
He gave me a sad face.
He always has a sad face. And Sully always has a bitch face.
Turn right on Market Street.
Why is she going to interrupt us all the
I
time?
don't know. You ask her.
Little thing you might not know about me and my wife, we are coffee connoisseurs. Huh?
Do like a good cup of joe latte style.
Yeah. So we hit coffee shops like every weekend, or when we get on vacation. It's like our thing to hit coffee shops. So we're going to the Cornerstone in Camp Hill right now because, well, we've been there before. We know it's good. So I'll show you some of the food.
Turn right.
So I lied to y'all because we ate everything. Didn't show you any of the food. But the Cornerstone, really good. Coffee was good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Food was good. She got a weird salad, so it was just okay. My wrap, off the charts. Comfort Inn suits, right across from Schitz's. Actually, pretty nice room for the price. The concert's in Hershey, which is like 20 minutes from here. If you stayed in Hershey, I was gonna pay like $200 for a room. This was like $80 for here, and this is way nicer. She's ready for a rock concert. Look at her. I don't know about Brantley Gilbert. I'm not really a country person, but whatever. I'm not taking this camera in either, so footage you'll see is going to be off my cell phone. Now we're at Cyber Park taking a walkie walk. Oh, trail stops right. Oh, no, it doesn't. Yeah. Taking a little walk out here on these walking trails.
We are taking a little walkie walk in Harrisburg on trail.
I just said that.
He's camcording me, and he's camcording for his YouTubes.
What trip would be complete without going shopping? Look, you notice the smile on her face now? Look at that smile. We had to go to the party already. We haven't even made it in yet. We haven't even started drinking yet. She's gotta go. Oh no. Oh, babe, you ready to go to Chocolate Town? Huh? Concerts like over here.
Where's the VIP entrance?
Over here. I don't know where it's at.
You see everybody's hands. Take them like this. There it is. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I just want you to know I care. I don't want the world to see me.
Well, that was a really good concert. Now we get to go home and see the kitties. They've never went a day without us there, so I'm kind of curious how they're going to react, the kittens. And then the following week, we leave for a whole week, so this is kind of like a test run, because they're kind of bad sometimes.
All right. Are they going to go nuts? That's the question.
Hi, Soso.
All of them.
Hi, Soso. Hi, Stewie. That's my children.
Oh my God. Yeah, the golden child.
Hi, Sophie. Look at the scratch. Look at that pretty scratch. Look at the hairy back. Hi. Hi, did you miss Mommy? I missed you.
This is when she leaves for like an hour. This happens. Like he's like, go back now. Go back to where you came from.
Did you miss Mommy?
It doesn't look like it.
Yes, he did.
Look at that face. He's not even looking at you. He's like, put me down.
Stewie's like at a distance.
Yeah, with your bed pants over there. He pulls every time we leave. Stewie grabs her bed clothes and pulls them out and lays them out in the hallway.